Hey everyone, Chase here at Rocky Mountain ATVMC, giving you a closer look at the Tri-Pivot Quick Adjust clutch lever from Fly Racing. All right everyone, thank you for checking in. So if you are clutch lever shopping and you're looking to make an investment on a good breakaway design, then I think the Tri-Pivot Quick Adjust from Fly Racing should be one that you'd want to look at and maybe consider. There's a lot of cool features that are built into this. We're going to go through and talk about those to help you decide if this is going to be maybe your next clutch lever and perch. Now with the Tri-Pivot, what makes this unique is that it's a breakaway lever, and we're used to seeing that with a lot of other brands. In other words, your actual lever will fold forward and then return back. There's a spring inside there, but also it pivots up and down, and that's where you get the name Tri-Pivot. So this thing, they're trying to make it virtually unbreakable, and there's also a 3-year crash warranty on this lever and this perch. So if you were to go down, if you were to bend or break this, they will help replace it for you. So it gives you some peace of mind because you are making an investment here. You're getting close to $200 when you pick this puppy up, but when you look at the build quality and how well this thing is built and just thought out, it's actually really nice. So the clamp and the perch are CNC forged aluminum. The lever is going to be forged aluminum. Now what's cool too is that the perch comes with a Teflon sleeve. And I always recommend, if you don't have these on your levers right now, if they're not breakaway, I would say get some of these on there. You know, we offer other options that are available that are just a sleeve to go between your clamp. But because what's nice about this Teflon sleeve is that if you do go down, you want this tightened down enough that it's not going to move obviously when you're using it. But if you do go down, you do want this to be able to rotate on the handlebar. That's just another easy way to help prevent bending or breaking your lever if you do go down. So that's also another nice feature. Now, a couple things that I noticed looking at this. You got a nice big lever on here. I like the feel, I like the bend that they have on it. You can adjust the throw on this so you can have it closer or farther away from the handlebar. Really simple to do, just a screw here on the back that you would use to set that. But something that I noticed, and this kind of goes back to the build quality of this lever, is normally when you have a breakaway lever, you'll see the spring that they have right here on this pivot point. On this, you don't see that. Everything's internal, it's completely hidden, so it just has a nice clean look to it. That's something that I really appreciate about this. And like I said, it folds up and down as well. You can see that's the second pivot point that you have right here. It's a quick adjust, so when you're out there riding, if you're using your clutch a lot and you need to adjust your tension on your cable, you can just easily roll this forward or roll it back, depending on which direction you need to go. But what's nice too is that you have this big dust cover that's going to go right here over the front. I have it off right now just so you can see this, but you have this big rubber cover, but you also have this big cover that goes over your dial, your quick adjust. So you just slide this right on there. And what I like about that is that makes that dial even bigger, and you can see it is textured right here on top. So when you go to adjust that thing, you can literally just take your fingers and roll it right over the top. Makes it nice and easy to do. And because you have such a big cover on there, obviously you're going to help prevent any dust, any contaminants from getting inside there. Remember, always keep your cables, everything lubricated in good shape. But as far as quality, this thing is top notch. And again, it's tri-folding, so front and back as well as up and down, plus that Teflon sleeve. So again, if you are clutch lever shopping and you're the rider where maybe you have those crashes or tip over from time to time, you get up, you have a broken lever, you're tired of having to change those out or buy new levers, and you just want to not have to worry about that, this is a great route to take. And keep in mind too, this is universal fitment, so this will work for essentially any bike, really any size, that has a cable clutch on it. To grab this, to see all the other great options that we do carry, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. As always, orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this spotlight and you want to see more like it, make sure get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel, hit that notification bell, and stay up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.